What is AWS Fargate? Runs containers without managing servers. Does Fargate require managing EC2 instances? No server management required. How does Fargate pricing work? Pay for vCPU and memory used. Which container orchestration services does Fargate support? Amazon ECS and Amazon EKS. What infrastructure does AWS handle for Fargate? Scaling, patching, and server security. What defines Fargate container specifications? Task definitions specify vCPU, memory, image. How are Fargate tasks isolated? Own environment with dedicated resources. Can Fargate tasks include multiple containers? Yes, sharing network and storage. Where are Fargate container images pulled from? Amazon ECR or Docker registries. Does Fargate automatically provision compute resources? Yes, right amount per task. Are Fargate tasks immutable? Yes, easily replaced for deployments. What network interface does each task get? Own any with private IP. What controls Fargate task traffic? Security groups at task level. Where can Fargate tasks be deployed? Public or private VPC subnets. How do tasks access other AWS services? IAM roles grant secure permissions. What enables private AWS service connectivity? AWS Private Link Integration. Which IP versions do Fargate tasks support? Both IPv4 and IPv6. How does Fargate scale infrastructure? Automatically matches task count. What adjusts Fargate task count based on metrics? ECS application autoscaling based on metrics. How are tasks distributed for high availability? Across multiple OSs for fault tolerance. What happens to failed Fargate tasks? Automatically replaced for availability.
Invest in your cloud career. SystemsArchitect.io has over 9,000 cloud study flashcards and more advanced AWS Fargate quizzes. Test your knowledge.
What distributes traffic across Fargate tasks? Application/network load balancers. Where are Fargate container logs collected? CloudWatch logs automatically. What provides service mesh for Fargate microservices? AWS App Mesh capabilities. What offers Fargate cost savings with spare capacity? Fargate Spot up to 70%. What provides persistent storage for Fargate tasks? EFS volumes shared across tasks. Where can tasks securely pull secrets from? Secrets Manager or SSM Parameter Store. What enables distributed tracing for Fargate? AWS XRay integration. How long does Fargate task startup take? 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Which container platforms does Fargate support? Linux and Windows, separate task definitions.